Let's learn Booty Voodoo. It's choreographed by Rob Glover and Roy Hadisubroto. It is a 48 count, 4-wall, high improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Booty Voodoo. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to kick our right foot forward, cross your right over your left. You're going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right. Cross your left over your right, walk your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left. Step back with your right, you're going to rock back with your left foot, recover onto your right. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, doing a big step to the left, and dragging your right toe into your left to face 3 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your kick cross. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to step our right foot to the right side, and as we do that, we're going to bump our hip twice to the right. So you're going to step to the right, bump your hip right, right. We're now going to do what's similar to a sailor step. So you're going to cross your left behind your right, step your right foot out to the side, and then step your left foot forward. We're now going to do a right mambo step, rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, step back with your right. You're going to quickly touch your left toe back. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, keeping your weight on your right foot, and then hitch your left knee up. So let's try that with some counts. We just dragged in to face 3 o'clock. We're going to step to the right and bump. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a side mambo. So you're going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right. Now the step sheet says to step with your left heel. All you want to do is make it a nice solid step. So you're crossing that left heel over your right, but as a step. We're now going to do a right mambo, rocking your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, cross your right over your left. We're now going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to slightly step your right foot next to your left, and then step back with your left. We're now going to quickly step out, out, in, out, right, out, left, in, right, and left. So let's try that with some counts. We just hitched up. You're going to do your side mambo. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 4, we're going to step back with our right foot. As we step back with our right, you're going to bump your hips. You're going to step back with the right, bump your hip back, bump, bump. You're now going to step back with your left, bump your hip, bump, bump. We're now going to do singles, and these are going to be kind of like bumping hip rolls. So we're going to step back with our right, push our hip back, step back with your left, push your hip back. We're now going to do a quarter turning coaster step, turning over your left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, step your right foot back, step your left next to your right, and then step your right foot forward to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping back with your right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 5, we're going to make a half turn over our left shoulder. And as you do this, you're going to press forward with your left. So you're making that half turn, pressing your left toe forward. You're now at 12 o'clock. We're going to do a big step back with our right, dragging your left foot back. We're now going to rock back with our left foot, recover onto our right. We're going to slide our left foot forward and touch your right next to your left. We're now going to touch our right toe out to the side with our knee pointed out. We're now going to have our knee come in, out, and as we do this, you want to slightly slide it towards the right, so you're kind of leaning into this right foot. So you're going to have your knee come in, and then go back out. Now you're kind of pressed into this right foot. You're going to drag your right into your left, and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our coaster step, weights on your right. You're going to do your half into your press. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Section 6 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do right and left sailor steps. So you're going to cross your right behind your left, Step your left foot out to the side, step your right foot out to the side. Cross your left behind your right, step your right foot out to the side, step your left foot out to the side. We're now going to cross our right behind our left. Make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, step in forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. Step forward with your right. We're now going to quickly rock forward with our left, recover back onto your right and touch your left toe back. You're now going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock, and then you'll be ready to start the dance over again with your kick, cross, side, rock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our drag. You're going to do your sailor step. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That last part's going to feel really quick, so you want to make sure that you keep everything nice and small. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your kick cross. So it's kick, cross, side, rock, back, recover, drag, touch, side bump your hip, behind, side, forward, mambo, step, touch, back, half hitch, side mambo, forward together, back, out, in, step back and double bump, step back and double bump, single bump, quarter coaster, step, half press, back drag, rock, recover, step, touch, out, and drag, sailor step, behind, quarter, forward, rock, recover, touch, half. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your kick cross. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the ending. The music starts to fade out as you're facing the side wall. All I did was find a natural transition to rotate to the front, making a quarter turn. You can kind of turn whenever you would like as that music is ending to end facing 12 o'clock, or you can just dance through until the song ends. There is no ending listed on the step sheet. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our kick, cross, side, rock. Kick, cross, side, rock, back, rock, back, recover, drag, touch it to the side, and bump your hip, behind, side, forward, mambo, step, touch, back, half hitch, side mambo, forward together, back, out, in, now, double back, single, quarter, coaster, step, half, press, back, drag, rock, recover, slide, touch out, knee out, eat out, drag, sailor step, behind, quarter, forward, rock, recover, touch, half, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Kick, cross, side, rock, back, recover, drag, touch it to the side, bump your hip, behind, side, forward, mambo, step, touch, half, hitch, side mambo, forward together, back, out, in, double back, single, quarter, coaster, step, half, press, back, drag, rock, recover, step, touch out, knee out, in, out, drag, sailor step, behind, quarter, forward, rock, recover, touch, half, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn booty voodoo. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
But I know no one they can't help me. Then out of nowhere she's flicking that hair like as if she misses Cutie. Cause she got the brains and she got the smile, and you know she's got the booty. One time when the girls say, oh, if you love ain't for the faint-hearted, let's go with your man on the floor. Come on, let's get this sucker started. You got some booty, she got the booty, you got some booty voodoo. Now blow me a kiss when you wiggle those hips and you shake a little something like this, singing. For the faint-hearted.